Uh, yes, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Uh, yes, so what was the last topic discussed yesterday? I think the last thing which we have discussed was determining the project cost and determining the project duration. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, okay. What was the project duration? So, what was the project completion duration? What was the project completion duration? Last class, I think we calculated this.
21 days.
21 days was the project completion duration, right? And okay, so this is the list of project completion duration is done. Okay, so once this is over, next is we'll list the critical activities. Did we list the critical activities in yesterday's class? No, only the critical path was defined. Is it right? So can you just tell me the critical path?
1 to 2,
Okay,
2 to 3,
correct.
3 to 4, 4 to 5.
What this was equal to 1 days, and this is something that is called as critical path. This path is called as critical because by changing the path duration of this critical path, the project completion duration can be. Okay, so that is the reason it is called as critical path. Now, list of critical activities. Can anyone tell what are the list of critical activities? Critical path we have. So, what are the list of critical activities? So, critical path is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, what is the list of critical activities? So critical activity is nothing but these are the critical activities 1-2, 2-3, and 3-4, Okay. The last one is 4-5. Okay. These are nothing but these are the list of critical activities of the project. So just make note of this, and from here we will go ahead. Is it done? Have you written all these things like?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just going ahead in case if anyone wants me to come back to this screen, just let me know. So once this is done, okay, next thing we are supposed to do is list of critical activities. List of critical activities, normal duration. Next is crash duration. Normal cost and crash cost. The last one is increment cost, which we have calculated in our previous class. Okay, just tell me the list of critical activities. One
2-3,
next is 2.
3-4,
Okay, 4
4-5.
dash. Normal duration. So the same normal duration we are supposed to write.
8,
Which is given in the question. Okay, 8.
6,
Hmm.
4, and 3.
Okay. Crash duration is
2 and 1.
2 and 1. Okay. Normal cost. $1,600. Next.
1,800.
Okay. Next normal cost.
2,900.
2,900. Okay. Next.
No, sir. 2,000 and next 900.
Okay. 2,000. After that is 900. Okay. Next.
2,000.
Okay.
3,200. Next 2,000.
Okay. Increment cost.
100. 600. 550.
Okay. So these are the list of critical activities and the other details. Okay, so just make note of all these things. the data which is given in this table. So if you total all the normal duration, the total will be 21 days, which is something what is the critical path duration. Now the intention is to reduce this path duration by some number. Okay, maybe it is 1 day, 2 days, 3 or 5 days. We don't know. We should find it out. Okay, how many days we can reduce this, and also it should not increase the project cost. Currently, what is the project cost?
14,450.
14,450. Is it right? Yes. So that value also should not increase, and in that manner, this value has to be reduced. That is 21 days. Okay, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once this is done, next is okay. So just give me a moment. Yes. So we have done correct. 21 days. Now we have to select. We have to select the critical activity. You have to select the critical activity whose incremental cost less. Now, can you tell me that critical activity which whose incremental cost is less? So in the last column we have
2-3.
4 values. That is 2 right, and the incremental cost is 100. Correct. So So that activity is 2-3, and that activity is 2-3, and the incremental cost is the increment cost is 100 rupees, which is less compared to two other critical activities. So we have to just see critical activities incremental cost, and when we compare that increment cost with the other, it is 100 rupees. Okay. Until here, any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Now, okay. By selecting this critical activity, what we are supposed to do next, we will see. Okay. Our intention is to reduce the project completion duration. So, why we have selected only this activity, we will see what is the reason for selecting only these critical activities. Okay, so the reason is very much straightforward. The incremental cost is 100 rupees, which is less when compared to the other critical activity. If there is any type of doubt, you can ask until here. Shall I go to the next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So lesser than the other critical activities we have written. For example, activity 2-3 is actually taking 6 days time. 2-3 is actually taking 6 days time to complete. Okay. If the project manager wants to complete this activity, complete this activity 1 day before, that is by 5 days, then the extra cost, the project manager has to bear. Project manager has to bear is 1 day into 100 rupees, which is equal to 100 rupees. That means if this activity has to be reduced by 1 day, then the extra cost that the project manager has to give is 100 rupees. Any doubts here? This particular statement? Anyone has not understood this?
Sir, why only less incremental cost?
Yes. So the question is why we have to select only less incremental cost, because this is the reason for that. If the project manager wants to complete this activity 1 day before, that is, see, our main intention is we want to reduce this date. Is it right? It is instead of completing this project in 21 days, we want to complete it before 21 days. Or we are just seeing, is there any possibility to reduce this number from 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, so on and so forth? If that has to happen, if this number has to reduce, these numbers have to be reduced. Is it right? Either 8 has to reduce or 6, 4, 3. These four numbers, any of these four numbers has to reduce. Okay, then we can reduce this 21. Now, how we can reduce this? One of the reason is, one of the way of reducing this is by selecting the activity which cost us less. Now, they have given that this actually takes 6 days time. This activity actually takes 6 days time to complete. But the project manager can also complete this activity in 4 days. How that activity can be finished in 4 days? By spending more. Is it right? So if the project manager spends 2000 rupees instead of 1800 rupees, then what will happen is this activity can finish in 4 days. Okay, otherwise if the project manager decides to finish it only in 6 days, then it may take 1800 rupees itself. Correct, is it right? Now, can you tell me, instead of finishing it on not even on 6th day or 4th day, if let us assume that the project manager decides to finish this on the 5th day, so what would be the cost of this activity? So it is given that 4 days it is 2000. If the project manager wants to finish this activity in 4 days, then the cost is 2000. And the project manager, if he takes 6 days, then the project activity cost is 1800. Now let us assume that the project manager wants to finish this activity on or before 5th day, or on the 5th day itself, correct? On 5th day itself, then what would be the activity cost?
1900.
1900. Is it right? So how did you do that? It is nothing but you have added 100 rupees extra to 1800.
Yes.
Yes. Now, why this extra you are paying? Because you may have one question. The activity duration is less. It is actually taking less number of duration. But here it is taking more number of duration, but still the cost is very much less. Correct? Why the project manager has to spend more? The project manager is taking only 4 days time or the short time to complete this activity. Why the project manager has to spend more? Maybe one of the question what you may have in your mind. Now the reason that this activity cost goes up is very simple. It is nothing but 100 rupees extra is spent on the number of employees. Correct. Now, if we want to finish any activity, let us assume building construction activity itself. Now, the building construction, if purchasing of the raw material actually takes 6 days, and if the building contractor wants to finish this activity in 4 days time, correct? That means what? How the building contractor can finish this activity in 4 days time? By employing more number of employees. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now, if the more number of employees are being employed, what will happen is the project contractor we may have to give some more money, and some more money means what? That is nothing but the incremental cost per day.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So that is the reason you have to select. Anyways, we have to. The project manager has to pay more in order to reduce the activity duration. So it is better to select the one which costs us less. All these are very much on the higher side. 300 rupees so the project manager has to spend per day for per day reduction. That means what? If 21 has to become 20 days, 300 rupees extra has to be paid. Isn't it? Now, if 21 has to be reduced by one more day, that is 20 days, then the project manager in this case has to pay only 100 rupees, which is better. While in the third activity, if you have to see, if 21 days has to be reduced by one more day, Okay, if it has to become 20 days, then in this case, the project manager has to spend 600 rupees extra. And in this case, it is 550 rupees extra, correct? So just to reduce this project duration by 1 day, the project manager may have to spend, these are the 4 alternatives, okay, in which 100 rupees, that is the second alternative, seems to be better, correct? Is it right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir.
I think it is better if you write the same thing in our notes so that okay, so is this taken down? This is done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I believe that everyone has written it. Okay, while activity 1-2 while activity 1-2 cost is 300 to reduce the project completion duration by 1 day. That is from 21 days to 20 days. Okay, similarly, activity 3-4 cost rupees 600 to reduce the project completion duration by 1 day. Okay, is it fine? Is this the statement understandable for everyone? Correct? So 1-2 costs 300 rupees to reduce the project completion duration by 1 day. Similarly, 3-4 activity takes 600 rupees to reduce the project completion duration by 1 day. Correct? But if you have to see 2-3 actually takes only 100 rupees. So it seems like 2-3 is a better alternative. Correct? Is this statement understandable by everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just make note of this. Okay. Is this done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going ahead. While 2-3 activity takes this 100 for reducing project completion duration by 1 day. Therefore, reducing 2-3 by 1 day is beneficial when compared to other activities. When compared to other, is it fine? This is the reason we have selected only 2-3 activity. Okay, so somewhere you can just write incremental cost is cost because of the extra employees that are being employed in order to complete the activities at the earliest. Okay, so for your understanding, you can just write after this. Okay, so the incremental cost is cost because the extra employees are being employed in order to complete this activity at the earliest. Okay, so this part is written. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how about others?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So just one line I will just the reason for this cost because if the manager has to finish, if the project manager has to finish an activity for its normal duration before normal duration, then the project manager has to employ more number of workers to complete the work before the normal duration. Correct? So the project manager has to finish the activity before the normal duration, and if it has to happen, then the project manager has to hire some more employees, because of which the cost will go up. But the benefit of doing this is that the project may finish beforehand or before the scheduled date. Okay, is this done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll see how to reduce uh, activity duration. So critical path duration or project completion duration is equal to 21 days. Okay. This is equal to 21 days. Okay. Uh, critical activity 2-3 as the least increment cost is correct. This can be reduced by 2 days because normally it takes 6 days. Cash duration 4 days. Okay, that means the same activity can also be finished by 4 days. Is it right? That means this activity can be reduced only by 2 days. Any doubts here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Others?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. So that means we have to reduce this activity by 2 days. So if we reduce this activity by 2 days, what will be the project completion duration?
days.
Correct. So instead of 21 days, now it will be 19 days. That's right. So shall I go to the next screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If anyone wants me to stay back in the same screen, let me know. Therefore, the project completion duration. Therefore, the project completion duration will reduce will be reduced by 2 days, which is equal to 21 minus 2 days, which is equal to 19 days. Is it right? Everyone agrees to this? This is an important step. Everyone has to understand. If there is any doubts, you have to ask. So first thing is selection of the critical activity. Next thing is we have to decide what is the total number of duration of reduction. Okay, so therefore the project cost is project cost uh, for the project cost, 19 days is equal to what will be the project cost? Normal cost. Normal cost is not dependent on the project completion duration. But the indirect cost is related to the project completion duration. What is the normal cost?
6 days.
Normal cost.
1,800.
Normal cost was how much? Total normal cost of the project.
9,200, sir.
9,200.
So it was 9,200. is it?
9,200.
9,200. 9,200 plus indirect cost. How do we calculate the indirect cost? Previous case it was 21. In this case it will be
19.
19 into how much?
250.
19 into 2. That's right. 250 rupees. So this is given. This is calculated. Is it right? And this is also calculated. So what will be the answer?
13,950.
13,950 rupees. Correct. So is it lesser than the previous
Yes, sir.
cost? So do you think the project manager was successful in reducing the project completion duration? So the project cost is also reduced. Previously it was 14,000 odd. Now it is 13,950. Do you think the project manager has succeeded in reducing the project completion duration? Do you think the project manager has succeeded in reducing the project completion duration?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me. See here, so we'll just go for the next one. The initial project cost was how much?
14,040.
14,000.
450.
Correct. Now the project cost for 19 days is equal to the project cost, yes, for 21 days. You can write. Now it is 13,950
950.
rupees. Correct. Now this is important. Since the project cost has reduced, we have to continue this problem. We have to continue this problem. We have to continue this problem or solution, whatever feel it better. correct? See here, the project cost, if the project manager could manage to reduce the project cost, it is always a good sign, isn't it? Why? Because with the lesser cost, if the project manager is able to manage things, it is always better. A simple thing, a simple example, if I have to say, the project, one of the project can be building construction itself. Let us assume that this was one somewhere around 14 lakhs. Building construction cost was 14 lakhs somewhere around, and if it is reduced to 13 lakhs, 995,000, it is always good, isn't it? The customer has to pay very much less, and also the and also you can reduce the total number of days. Initially it was initially the building construction would have taken 21 days. Now, though the project manager has spent some more money, that is fine, but the number of days has reduced. Is it right? Now the building construction is getting finished only in 19 days, or let us say 19 months or whatever it is, 19 days or 19 weeks, whatever it is, but it is getting completed in the lesser duration, isn't it? So you are getting the building constructed at a lesser cost. So I'm just considering this as an example, since we cannot have any building construction in 13,000 and 14,000. So I've just made it, converted this into the lakhs, okay, so that it will be easy for us to understand, correct? So the building cost also has reduced, construction cost also has reduced, and also we are getting the building at the earliest possible duration, okay, which is very good for the customer as well as the construction company, isn't it? So is there any doubt?
Sir, we need to consider the crash cost for activity 2 to 3, right? Not the normal cost for calculating the total project cost after crashing.
After crashing, we have to consider the
Crash cost for activity 2 to 3, not the normal cost.
here in this particular calculation you are telling.
In 9,200, we need to add 200 more. Because it is crash.
Yes. You are right. I think, yes, sorry. Yes, that's right. You are right. We have to add that cost there. It's good that you have reminded. Otherwise, we would have continued the same problem. Where to add it? So you have to add 200 more.
Yes, sir.
So yes, you're right. It's good that you have reminded me. So since I do not have space, I am rubbing this, but you need not rub it. So total normal cost of the project plus indirect cost plus the incremental cost. This has to get added up. Incremental cost. So incremental cost of activity 2-3. Activity 2-3. That's right. You're right. So in that case, 200 rupees extra has to be added. So just add 200 rupees extra and tell me the answer. So total project cost is, I hope everyone has understood this. Correct? Is it understood by everyone? So to this equation, only that we have added the incremental cost for 2-3. Okay, so what will be the answer in that case? What is the total normal cost?
$9,200.
9,200. Correct. Next. Indirect cost is 19 into
250.
250, and increment cost is
200.
yes, 100 into 2 days. That's right. So 9,200 plus what was this answer? 19 into 250.
4,750.
4,750 plus
50.
100. Answer is how much?
14,150.
14,000.
14,150. Is it still lesser than the previous answer?
Yes,
Previous,
sir.
yes, previous answer was 14,000. How much?
450.
450.
450, correct? So this is still lesser than 14,450. So we have to continue this problem. Continue this problem. Is it fine? Everyone has understood this? Less than the previous project cost. Okay. So we'll continue this in the next class. Is it fine?
Okay, sir.
Just send me the list of absentees and we'll continue this in the next. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.